Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. It is a gorgeous day today. Friday the 13th, y'all. Make sure y'all get in before Jason get out. So anyway, guys, we are in Sugarloaf Country Club. This is actually a real estate agent that hired me because they are representing this home, and they was actually referred to me by another real estate agent that works in the same real estate agency. So anyway, guys, we're out here in Sugarloaf Country Club. I have been in this country club numerous times, and we have this nice home. We're going to be doing a screen and recoat. They had it painted, and they said, Courtney, after the painting, we're just looking at the floors, and we really got to get these floors looking good. So I came out here earlier this week. They did pay for an in-home consultation, which does come off their initial bill. And they also, when I gave them my flyer, they said, oh, you do countertops as well? So yeah, let's go ahead and spruce up those countertops. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going today. So this is all we're doing today, no consultations. And actually we're gonna, I took off the weekend, so we're not working this weekend. Get a little break. So we are doing almost 1,600 square feet of screen and recoat. Now we're not UV curing because the UV cure is additional, but that's usually for clients that want to get back on the floors same day. They don't have to wait the 4 to 5 days of curing. And with this, she said, Courtney, we're going to have open house next week, so there was no need to do the UV curing. So these are the floors that we're doing, guys. As you can see, these floors are definitely in need of some TLC. They're just dirty and a little worn. We're also going to be doing these granite. They feel so rough. Oh my goodness, it's so dusty. Going to be doing these granite countertops. So all through here, here. So this is a nice home. They on the market. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Here. We also have an office over here. All on the main floor. This is probably the best room out of all of them, this office. All right, so me and Tavares is gonna knock this out. We're gonna start screening, cleaning, and coating. And this master's right here. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Bring it down. Sugarloaf culture tonight. Sugarloaf Country Club shine. Truman in the building. Screen it down, let it breathe. Fresh satin coat on them hardwood trees. Luxury flow coming back alive. Sugarloaf mansion got that Truman shine. Granite glow, countertops gleam. Stone looking bright like a chandelier beam. One day touch make the whole house glow. Truman restoration still the show. Call came in from a real estate pro. Big mansion, listen, trying to get it ready to show. Floor looking dull from the traffic in years, but we bought the shine back smooth and clear. 1,600 feet of hardwood grain. Light screen pads bring the light back again. Roll that sand cold, nice and slow. Now the flow got that warm rich glow. Finger snap, jazz chords float. All beat rhythm while the finish coat so. Buyers walking in, they stopping like whoa. This the type of shine make the whole house glow. Screen it down, let it breathe. Fresh satin coat on them hardwood trees. Luxury flows coming back alive. Sugarloaf mansion got that Truman shine. Granite glow, countertops gleam. Stone looking bright like a chandelier beam. Clean buff polish, not a seal lock tight. Kitchen island shining in the light. Yeah. Touch, different level restoration. Soft flute, finger snaps. Granite stone had a little wear in haze. That shining like the first showroom days. Clean buff polish, bring the sparkle back. Seal locked in, so the shine stays stacked. reflection like dancing on a stone so bright. Flashing looking like diamonds in the light. Real to smiling cause the house look prime. Market ready, now it's selling the grain. From the loose to Atlanta, we restore constraint. Bringing tired hardwood flows back again. Look at red home, getting light from the cool. When Truman show up, the shine feel new. Screen it down, let it breathe. Fresh satin coat on them hardwood trees. Sugarloaf mansion glowing tonight. Hardwood floors looking polished and right. Granite glow, countertops gleam. Stone reflecting like a luxury dream. Buyers walking in and the first thing they see that Truman shine and the craftsmanship energy. Yeah, Sugarloaf shine. Dulu, Georgia restoration. Hardwood glowing, granite sparkling. Truman bringing life back again.
Thank you. Thank you. For your property too? Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, next time.
Next time?
Because we have a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Good.
Beautiful.
Yeah, there is no color change.
No, yep.
Oh, good.
So this is the benefit of the screen and recoat. Like, perfect. I like. Thank you. Yeah.
The shiny level is very good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
We don't want the
Shine. Yeah. A lot of people don't like shiny floors, especially in these type of homes. You want to go natural. So this is satin finish. Beautiful.
Good.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you for the business. And the other agent that referred me to you, tell her I said thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will share your information.
All right, guys, that is going to do it. Floors came out amazing. The real estate agents love the floors. Also, thank you to Miss Suzanne. She's the real estate agent that referred me to this real estate agent. They got this house on the market, $1.9 million. I said it too. I said, what's this house selling for? About $2 million? They said, yeah, Courtney, 1.9. So it's a beautiful home. Now I went upstairs. The upstairs need to be done too, but hey, I'm not gonna say anything about that. But the floors look amazing. That nice satin finish. It's actually my most recommended coating is satin, my sheen. And water base, we use water base only. No VOCs, no dramatic long dry times. And also we got the countertops done. All right, guys, I am going to be off this weekend and enjoy my weekend off. And we will be back at it Monday. So far, we have 4 jobs on the schedule for next week. Also, I think 4 consultations. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. This is my footprints, I get those up. Thanks again for watching. See you the next one.